Taiwan and China are home to some of the top tech companies in the world. From smartphones to computer hardware and software, these companies are making waves in the global tech industry. Let's take a look at some of the top tech firms in China and Taiwan. Huawei, one of China's largest tech firms, is known for its smartphones and telecommunications equipment. Its CEO, Ren Zhengfei, is considered one of China's top entrepreneurs. Huawei has faced controversy over security concerns, but it remains a major player in the global market. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is the world's largest dedicated semiconductor foundry. It produces chips for some of the biggest names in tech, including Apple and Qualcomm. TSMC's technology is a vital component of many devices we rely on every day. Another Chinese tech firm, DJI, dominates the drone market. Founded in 2006, DJI has become the world's leading manufacturer of aerial drones, used for everything from filmmaking to search and rescue missions. Asus, a Taiwanese tech company, produces a range of products, from laptops to gaming computers to smartphones. The company is known for its innovative designs and high-quality products, and has won numerous awards for its work. These are just a few of the many top tech firms in China and Taiwan. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech news and insights.